How to write a 2-week notice letter. Importance of a 2-week notice letter. Providing a 2-week notice letter allows a smooth transition, helping your employer plan for your replacement and keeping relationships positive for future references. Key components of a notice letter. A complete 2-week notice letter includes a header, greeting, main body, and a conclusion, ensuring clarity and professionalism in your resignation. Clear and polite greeting. Start your notice letter with a respectful greeting to set a professional tone, addressing your manager formally regardless of workplace informality. State your intent and last working day. Clearly state your resignation and specify your last working day. This eliminates ambiguity, helping the team plan for your departure smoothly. Offer help with the transition. Offering assistance during your notice period shows goodwill. Offering to train a replacement or document duties helps leave a positive impression. Expressing gratitude. Thank your employer and colleagues in your letter for the opportunities you've had, creating a lasting, positive impression as you move forward. Using a notice letter template. Utilizing a 2-week notice letter template provides structure and ensures no key detail is missed, especially for first-time resignation letters. Avoid common mistakes. Avoid vague language, negative feedback, and excessive detail. A clear, concise, and professional notice leaves the best impression. Maintaining professionalism post-notice. Keep a positive attitude, assist with transition plans, and document your work thoroughly, showing respect for your team till the final day. The benefits of a professional exit. A well-written notice letter can strengthen your network, keep doors open for future opportunities, and reinforce your professional reputation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow us on social media platforms.